Let's see how to create a Google Forms. First, open your web browser. Now search Google Forms. After that, click the first website. Then you have to sign in to your Google account. On the top right corner, click sign in. There is some pre-made template. To create your own form, click on blank on the first box. Now rename the form name. I'm writing about yourself. You can change the font style like bold, italic or underline. Below that, write the form description. About someone, details. Next, go to the question sector. Click there. On the right of that, you can see there is a box. Click on that. There is a question type: short answer, paragraph, multiple choices, checkboxes. First, I am clicking short answer. Now write the question: your name. Below that, on the right side, there is a option called required. If you click the required, this question should be answered to submit the form. Now on the right side, there is a plus icon. Click there to add a new question. Now I'm changing that to multiple choice. I'm writing question: are you male or female? Now you can add option 1, 2, 3 or 4. First, write first option male, then below that click add option female. You can add another option too. Now I am clicking required again. If you want to preview that, on the top side there is a top right corner, there is a eye icon. If you hover over that, it will show you the preview. Then click on there. Here is your form ready. At first, your name, you have to answer it. Then there is a multiple choice, male or female. After that, you can submit there. Now go back to form. If you want to send that form to someone, on the top right corner there is a button send. Click there. Then you can write their email and send, or you can send there via Facebook or Twitter. After writing email, just click send. It will send to them. That's all. Thank you.